All right, so what's good, YouTube? Back at it with another unboxing here today. If you wonder why I'm dressed like a character out of Coming to America or something, I just came back from an event. I had this package waiting on me. It's something I've been waiting for about a month now from StockX. It took mad long. It was like a seller accepted, or I don't know what the deal was. So I paid the asking price that the seller was asking for on StockX. They shipped the shoes. You know, StockX does their verification. I guess they didn't pass verification. It's supposed to be a new pair, dead stock, all that. I don't know why it didn't give me that in the message. Anyways, StockX sent me a message. Hey, the original seller didn't pass verification. We're gonna match you with another seller. That seller didn't pass verification either. So I'm just, at that point, I'm like, what's going on? Finally, the third seller shipped these to StockX, and I finally got the shoes. So it's been a while. It's been like a month, maybe even over a month. It was before All-Star Weekend that I paid for these shoes. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this unboxing and see what they hitting for. You see the box. So we do have a pair of Lebrons. The box is kind of beat up some, but that doesn't even matter as long as the kicks are in the right condition. Them big bang things, man. Them big bang things. Grab these for under retail. I am seeing dirt on the bottom. I don't know if the camera is really picking it up. These have definitely been tried on. Maybe they haven't been rocked. I'm not saying that somebody have like wore these, rocked them, and sold them as dead stock, but hey man, they're not as crispy as I was expecting. StockX, what y'all got going on, man? Like this shoe right here doesn't even have the paper inside. I don't know what StockX has going on exactly, but if this was the best pair that they could send me, then it is what it is. If you all see the tongue of the shoe, the detail, the galaxy theme, these big bang things did come out originally around the same time as the galaxy foams. I remember because I wanted both of these shoes, and now finally here on the second drop, we were able to grab them, you know, over 10 years later. They came out in 2012, like a week apart. It was the same time of year though, All-Star Weekend. So I'm happy to have these big bangs. StockX though, I don't know exactly what StockX have going on, man. I'm seeing dog hair on the bottom of the shoe, all type of stuff. I'm not feeling that, man. StockX, I get the shoe dropped like 2 years ago, 3 years. I think they came back out in 2022, so 3 years ago. I don't know if they dropped around All-Star Weekend, same type of year, but the quality on these, man, StockX dropped the ball. We have the StockX verified authentic stamp of approval, but hey man, I'm not happy with the condition of the shoes. Maybe I'm just a picky person, man. I don't know. I'm not. The Lebron 9s, especially the Lebron 9 Elites, they had just dropped when I was getting into the sneaker game. I had the Lebron 9 South Beaches. Those were crazy at the time. Galaxy right there. This is still a super dope shoe. I feel like StockX, they finally just approved, so I'm like, hey, we got to get this order fulfilled. I'm not, like I said, I'm not really feeling the quality, but overall this video, we talking about the shoe itself, not about StockX. Y'all see the pull tab at the back, Lebron, classic. The Galaxy print also on the inside of the shoe. Yeah, with these right here though, I plan on rocking these probably with like a throwback Suns jersey, something like that. It'll be clean. This bright color right here is definitely not a color that I wear on a day-to-day basis, but I'm gonna throw together a fit, something that'll be hard. Also, I can rock these to hoop in. The Lebron 9s, the Lebrons in general are great shoes to hoop in. You know, just pull up to the gym, get some shots off. Whatever you're gonna do, pull up to the park, get it in, get a nice workout in. But yeah, probably Phoenix Suns. If I actually want to put together a fit with the Lebron 9s, it'll probably be the Phoenix Suns throwback. They have a couple throwback jerseys that I actually like. I was looking at the colorway, matching them up with this. I'm happy to have these and to add them to the collection. Now I gotta go clean them up, man. That's crazy. I got some shoes in from StockX that I gotta go clean up because there's dog hair and stuff on it. Like I said, y'all, maybe it's just me. You know, I'll be complaining. I don't know, man. When I spend that money on, I want stuff to be right. I want things to come in the right condition. You know, it say they in perfect condition. I want to see them in perfect condition, not some booth. I want to give a shout out to StockX, but I can't even give them a shout out on these kicks right here. I can't do it, man. Y'all been seeing the news too, what's going on with StockX, man. There's been some crazy stuff out there. I might have to make a whole different video giving my opinion, breaking that one down, the news, the truth on that. But as far as these right here, I can't give a shout out to StockX. I'm going to give a shout out though. Shout out to all the viewers that made it to this point in the video. If you did enjoy, drop a like, comment on the video. Have more content dropping very soon on the channel. And I'm out, family. Peace.